We're driving on Bush Lake.
Stay away from that.
Bush Lake, Minnesota.
See that? Stay away from that.
Why?
I think there's a drain coming or input. And people out here whipping shitties. Look at that. All this. They're all whipping shitties out here, kids. I used to live. You remember? I used to live on Screamachen Lake, and yeah, come wintertime at night, you'd see headlights out there in the cars.
Kayaking in the summer and boating and driving in the winter. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's windy.
What's that?
Huh?
In front of us looks like a. Across the beach onto this lake. That's pretty impressive. Wonder if they're catching any fish, and I don't